So hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we'll be talking about tiered pricing strategy, definition, examples, and benefits. So the right tiered pricing strategy can ensure you effectively monetize your APIs and other digital products, encouraging your customers to spend more whilst ensuring they are happy about doing so. But get it wrong, and you can irritate your customers and push them towards your competitors. In this post, we'll explain how to get your tiered pricing right and maximize your APIs. So, how to implement a tiered pricing strategy? Tiered pricing is a way of packaging your product. Uh, how to implement a tiered pricing strategy? Tiered pricing is a way of packaging your product into a fixed or cost bundles rather than using a usage based pricing model. Each tier delivers a fixed range of features, number of users, volume of data, depth of support, etc. Customers can choose the tier that best suits their requirements and their budget. Once the customer expands their usage of your products and exceeds the levels in their chosen tier, they move up to the next. It's a common pricing strategy bias for software as a service SaaS products such as APIs. So, understanding how to implement a tiered pricing strategy involves clearly and carefully defining your tiers. It also means considering how to best incentivize and your customers to progress from one tier to the next tier. So, what is a tiered pricing strategy? Tiered pricing strategies center on what's included in each tier and how much is charged for those capabilities. To set your pricing strategy, analyze your product offering, and determine which features are germane to your product. So, which are add-ons and which could be considered custom. Divide up those features into tiers and determine the price for those tiers using the analysis presented in a companion blog post. As a sanity check, you could look at your competitors and see what they are offering and at what price. You may need to reconsider your strategy if you are pricing yourself out of the market. An effective tired pricing strategy ensures your customers feel they get good value on each tire. Consider starting with a free tire to encourage product adoption with the aim of moving those who adopt your product onto paying tires as their usage increases. What is tired pricing structure? So a tired pricing structure relates to how you price each tire and what you include in it. This is crucial to the success of your whole tired pricing model. The nature of your product and the way in which your customers use it will impact what you provide on each tire. Whether your business model is B2C and B2B will also impact your custom pricing approach, as these models require different strategies. What is an example of tiered pricing? You can set up your tiered pricing structure through a solution such as Moesif and Stripe, or you can implement a custom solution, although the latter would take longer and involve greater complexity. Let's take the example of an API that you are charging your customers to use. You can change customers for each query call that they send through the endpoint. You can then offer a cheaper price per call based on increasing usage, then thus incentivizing customers to move up to more expensive tires in order to enjoy discounted rates. So, what are the benefits of tiered pricing? Implemented well, a tiered pricing structure can make it easy for your customers to understand what your product will cost. Then, it can also make them feel like they gain additional value each time they move up a tier and increase their spend. When you get your tiered pricing right, the benefits are multifaceted as follows. The first one is pricing structure is easy to understand. With your pricing arranged into tiers, it's easy for your customers to understand prices precisely what they get from for their money. You can define the offering in each tier with a couple of bullet points and a comparison table to show the tires side by side. This kind of pricing structure makes cost predictable for your customers, and by making it easy for them to budget for your product each month. You are reducing friction in the adoption process. Everyone wins. Commonly accepted pricing. The tiered pricing model is well understood within the SaaS industry. As such, you are presenting your customers with something known and familiar. Again, this reduces friction in terms of them deciding to adopt your product. Using a commonly accepted pricing structure also supports those who want to adopt your product but need their managers to sign off on its adoption. Managers will see clearly what the product will cost and have the comfort of working within a familiar pricing model. Easy to implement. All you need to implement your tiered pricing is a subscription billing software. It's super simple to put in all place and it won't drain your timed or resources, you can use the software to set up a lower priced tire plus one or more at a higher price. An established strategy that means you can capitalize or a downgrade sloping demand curve.